Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need, a Google account and a clear niche. First, open Google Sites and create a new site. Choose a simple template to save time. Once done, set up Google Analytics and Search Console so you can track traffic and index the site. Make sure to register a custom domain and connect it to sites. This signals professionalism and improves SEO. Start with 3 cornerstone pages: Home, Topic Hub, Lead Capture, and populate with focused, user-centered headings and short content. Now you build depth. You should publish at least 10 targeted pages that answer real questions your audience has. Use keyword research to place primary terms in the title, H2s, and first paragraph. This helps search engines and users. Once done, optimize images with descriptive alt text and compress files so pages load quickly. Make sure to add an email sign-up, clear product or affiliate links, and a simple navigation that funnels visitors to monetized pages and conversion. To complete the build, add monetization. Connect AdSense, apply affiliate links, or create downloadable products with a payment processor. Once connected, test each revenue path and verify tracking and analytics so you can see clicks and conversions. Make sure to create a simple checkout or link flow. Friction kills revenue. If things go wrong, check 3 things first: site settings and custom domain, mobile user experience, and page speed. Then adjust elements, rerun tests, and iterate until metrics improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.